So hi everyone, welcome back. I'm actually going to show you a couple of projects that I have going on. So I got this soap dispensing bottle and the brush holder from Dollar Tree. And what I did was to try to get the mid section for each of this bottles, and I wrap this because the upper parts I intend to paint the upper parts silver, and I'm painting the lower parts gold, and I'll be putting some stud and some petals, some flowers at the middle. Well, I just want to show you the before picture, and I will update you as the project progresses. So these are my bottle. I got them from Dollar Tree, and I'm painting them gold. The down parts will be painted gold. The front part will be painted silver, and I'm going ahead with a gold painting first, and to avoid having some of the gold sprayed on the upper parts. That was the reason why I use a paper tip on the bottom, on the top parts. So I'm going to upload you when I'm done, and I'll be using this paint for the gold, and I'll be using this for the silver, and I might decide to add some shiny depending on how I feel, but I will update you guys as the project progresses. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. For the soap dispensing for the bathroom, this is the bottom part, which I spray gold, and I'll go ahead and wrap the bottom part now so that I can spray the upper part silver, and I'll keep you updated on the progress.